I spent several days in New Orleans, Louisiana. I was moving towards Tallahassee, Florida, when I had to stop and perform a Skype call with a client from Germany. In this video I'm going to show you guys what was happening. I stayed in a beautiful hostel, French Quarter House, the link in the description.
It was pretty unexpected to have such a Skype video call with a client from Germany, because I was almost on my way from New Orleans to Tallahassee, Florida, and I had to stop right in the middle of the road. So I have these beautiful buildings all around me. I'm sitting in the car with my laptop, and I'm pretty glad that during this video call we were able to clear up and to make everything precise accordingly to the information given in the software specification. Also, we checked the logic and I estimated the project. So I gave the price to my clients, to Johannes. I gave the price. The price is $2,000 plus the software specification development. It was about $250, and then I need to add some more money, I think additional $250, and the time that I'm gonna need for developing an MVP version of the demanded software is 2 weeks. The total amount of money that I'm gonna receive is $2,500, which is pretty good. I think I'm going to be able to survive with this amount of money in Florida, because Florida is expensive.
Freelancing, app work, and making money online, technical and IT reviews, software development tutorials can be found right on this channel. The same amazing channel is even available in Russian. Please write in the comments in what particular topic are you guys interested in. The primary purpose of this channel is to demonstrate the lifestyle of an entrepreneur who travels all around the world, making a living through software development and information technologies.
But what about this case when like, let's say the price hasn't changed, but volume changed. So what do we do in this case? Leg number one is pretty simple. So you just move the existing limit order there. But in case when the volume at the leg number, let me see the picture. When the volume at the leg number 1 is not enough, you need to move the limit order at the leg number 2. I'm talking about this case. Yeah, don't worry about issues about the using command line. It's not a big deal. So I will make it pretty simple, and it's nothing in common with programming or Linux administration. It will be pretty simple. That's it. Let's go this way. So don't spend your time of thinking how to host it. So I will locate it on my server, and I will explain you how to use the command line. So you will need to install a little software which is called Putty. So this is the command line by the way, it's SSH client, so which lets you to access different operating system through the simple command line interface. And are you on Linux or you are on Windows?
You know, guys, many people are dreaming about adventures, travel, business, or even about all the things together at the same time. When you do a freelancing lifestyle, this is exactly the way how you get all of this. Freelancing is an incredible opportunity to make all your dreams come true. Make it happen. Start today.
I put a lot of time and effort into making these videos. I would really appreciate if you'd consider subscribing to my channel. If you would like to contact or hire me or my team, the links are there in the description.